Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, I did a video on February 16th that said Valentine's Day strike protest, did it work? Yes, it did. And in that video, I dropped little hints here and there about April 1st. Like, you'd be a fool not to do the next protest and what have you. I did have somebody actually tell me to pull that video down because I was premature in putting that date out. And then yesterday, lo and behold, here we go with the April 1st date. So, that's fine. I'm not dropping names or anything, and that person can just deal with whatever they want, whatever. I back the Rideshare Professor. I am backing the Mic Drop Barbecue. Jeff, these guys are phenomenal. Rideshare Professor is a driver advocate from hell. I mean, he fights so hard for drivers. And Jeff over at the Mic Drop Barbecue, dude is a bulldog, and he is just, he just says it the way it is. So I'm trying, I want to collaborate with both of them. I want to give you the information as I get it. I want to share it. And, again, April 1st, 24-hour app shutdown. It's going to be bigger. It's going to be better. It's going to be stronger. We're going to have more drivers offline. We're going to have more media. I actually have local media involved already. And fair rideshare, fair co-op rideshare. They're coming. And I am actually working as one of their advocates in Northern LA County. And I will. There'll be a link at the end of the video, a QR code that you can scan if you're interested in driving for fare. Scan the QR code, download the driver app, and get ready because they're coming. And with a 90-10 split, meaning the driver gets 90%, the co-op's only getting 10. And amazingly enough, in Canada, it seems to be working pretty good. Drivers are very happy. The passengers are very happy. Everybody's happy. And they're only taking 10% of the fare, and yet they're making everything they need to sustain themselves and keep this rideshare company afloat. So, again, scan the QR code, download the driver app. The quicker we get drivers onboarded and ready to go, the quicker this company and the apps will open up in your city. So again, April 1st, we're doing another protest, strike, app shutdown, 24-hour, whatever you want to call it. Get involved, do it. Again, the first one worked. This one's going to work even better. Fair rideshare. Get that QR code, sign up, become a driver, become a passenger. We can have 1,000 drivers, but if we don't have any passengers, I'll be doing more with that also. So anyway, you guys, thank you very much for stopping by. Again, April 1st, 24-hour app shutdown, bigger, better, stronger, bolder. We're going to do it. Fair rideshare is coming on board. And again, we're going to have media involved. So more to come. So until next time, be safe, be professional, keep it real. If you must, drive on. And I truly wish you all the very best of health. Until we meet again. See ya.